To link a domain to a website in GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to the Domains section. Here you will see a list of all the domains you have registered with GoDaddy. Find the domain you want to link to your website and click on the DNS button next to it. In the DNS Manager section, you will see a list of DNS records for your domain. To link your domain to your website, you need to update the A record and the CNAME record. The A record maps your domain to the IP address of your website, while the CNAME record maps a subdomain to the domain name of your website. To update the A record, click on the Edit button next to the A record, then enter the IP address of your website in the Points to field. Click on the Save button to save the changes. To update the CNAME record, click on the Add button, then select CNAME from the drop-down menu. In the Host field, enter the subdomain you want to map, such as www, and in the Points to field, enter the domain name of your website. Click on the Save button to save the changes. Once you have updated the A record and the CNAME record, click on the Save Changes button to save all the changes. It may take some time for the changes to propagate, so be patient and check back later to see if the changes have taken effect. It is also important to note that you need to set up hosting for your website before you can link your domain to it. If you have not already set up hosting, you can do so by navigating to the Hosting section in your GoDaddy account and following the prompts to set up a new hosting plan. In addition to updating the A record and the CNAME record, you may also need to update the nameservers for your domain. The nameservers are what direct traffic from your domain to your website. To update the nameservers, click on the DNS button next to your domain. Then click on the Edit button next to the nameservers. Select the Custom Nameservers option. Then enter the nameservers provided by your hosting company. By following these steps, you can successfully link your domain to your website in GoDaddy. Remember to be patient and allow some time for the changes to propagate. If you encounter any issues, you can contact GoDaddy support for assistance.